In Investing 101 today, a critical topic, we're bringing in Kathy Roser. She is a wealth manager for Morgan Stanley. So happy to have you on the show.
Great to be here.
This is a terrific topic because I think it's one that a lot of people don't pay attention to, and it's the need to check up on your portfolio once in a while. So let's start with why it's important to do those regular checks.
Just like you go to the doctor once a year, it's time now mid-year to look at your investment portfolio and review to see, based on your goals and objectives, whether it's short, intermediate, long-term, make sure you're on track. And one of the big things we're talking about now is we've had such a great run in this equity market, especially in the US. You got to look at your risk. You need to look at your balance between the US positions and the international positions. Look at the value between growth stocks and value stocks. Technology's been on a tear. Make sure you're all in balance.
All in balance. So if one part is getting too hot, do you pull back or do you stay in?
So we're recommending now that you do take some money based on your time horizon off the table, but also if you have really seen some appreciation and the valuations are there, that you should be paring back.
All right, your number 2 tip is don't buy the hype. And there's a lot of hype.
Well, 24/7, the news, people get drawn into the emotion of investments. We've had an extremely volatile year with things trading up and down, and people just got to stay focused on themselves, not necessarily what everybody else does, and make sure that they don't do anything that'll jeopardize their long-term goals.
That happens a lot, and I think sometimes when people go to a dinner party or they talk to their friends, this stock is really hot or I'm making a lot of money in this sector, and what's right for them might not be right for you.
Exactly. And that's where I think behavioral finance, if you look at that, people really get caught up in this herd mentality. Somebody else is doing this, so I need to do this, or the fear of missing out. And you just got to go back to really yourself. That's the most important thing.
You also say it's important to stay flexible. Why is that?
So when I mean about flexible, sometimes people get anchored in their mindset about what they're going to be doing. If you're in your 20s and 30s, you have 40 to 50 years you're going to be investing. So if you need to then say what geopolitical things, what economic things are happening in the world, and what changes do I need to make looking forward, not in the rear view.
Thank you so much for your time today. Good to have you here.
Thanks,
Come back
Angela.
soon.
Very much.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.